This is the Heritage Rough Rider. All right, I picked this up a few weeks back. I've been wanting to do a video on it where I'm out shooting some targets, plinking. Unfortunately, it's been like single digits, teens. We've had a few inches of snow on the ground pretty much since the end of December. It's finally getting a little bit warm out. It's like the last couple days of February. As you can see, tons of fog from all the snow melt and the cold ground and everything else. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. I picked this up primarily for trapping. Pretty often that I'm carrying a 22 with me to dispatch the animals. Thought it'd be a lot better if I just had a small caliber pistol with me. So I found this. This is the Heritage Rough Rider, and it's pretty cool because it comes chambered. I currently have the 22 WMR or mag on it. You can also switch it out for 22 LR. It comes with both of those, and this is the one with the, I think they call it the polymer stock, composite stock, whatever, plastic, not wood. And yeah, man, I picked this thing up for like 120 bucks, so you can't really beat that. But again, got it primarily for trapping, and it seems to be pretty nice. I've seen some reviews online about it where they talk about it. Seems like a pretty good little pistol. So it has this safety here too, which is kind of unusual. Let me see if I can get that down. So you can see it went down, safety's off, safety's on. So that's just putting a little piece right there so that you can't accidentally fire it. So I don't know, that seems interesting. I've never seen a revolver with that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Like I said, I got it primarily for dispatching animals when I'm trapping. But we're gonna hit some targets over here and see how she shoots. All right, so we're gonna get started today with the 22 mag. This is 40 grain jacketed hollow point, a varmint round by CCI. All right, right now I'm probably about 10 yards from this target, so we'll see how that takes us. Boy, I'm not hitting anything. I think I grazed something there. Seems to be shooting kind of high. All right, we're empty. So it seemed to be shooting high each time I shot. I'm gonna put the 22 LR in and see how that shoots. Boy, I'm not hitting anything. I grazed something there. Seems to be shooting kind of high. Okay, so I got 22 LR loaded up. This one I got obviously a huge box of ammo, and these are way cheaper to shoot. So I'm gonna play the targeting a little bit more with these before I maybe try to shoot some more of the mag rounds again, because those are a little bit more expensive. But yeah, let's see where we got this at. See how she shoots. that one nailed it. That was dead on. Huh. Boy, that's fun. I think I have one more shot. Nope. Okay, so that's interesting. So, yeah, pretty much every one of those except I think number 5 or 4 I shot. I pulled the shot a little bit, but every single one of those hit exactly where I was aiming. For some reason, the mag shots were just a little bit high, but yeah, I'm gonna shoot some more of those because, like I said, I got a whole box of them here. So we'll play with that a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty fun to shoot. It feels good. Oh, that one nailed it. That was dead on. Huh. Boy, that's fun. And for our 22 LR, we're just shooting Federal auto match in 40 grain. I normally shoot those out of my semi-auto 22s. I like that. For whatever reason, that specific round seems like it doesn't jam up on any one of the 22s I own. All right, so let's try this again. I'm a little high on that one, but that was my fault. Dead on. Went low. Just not doing great with that middle target for some reason. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I forgot to mention that or not earlier, but this does also have an ejector on it, which is pretty nice. Yeah, this thing's cool, man. I love this. This is fun. This is going to be a perfect little gun for what I need it for, and it's also a lot of fun just shooting some little targets over here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna shoot some more 22 LRs, and then I might switch back up on the mag and see if I can figure out what's going on with that. I know there was another video I was watching where some dude had one of these and he was saying it was shooting high, and he ended up actually like just filing the tip down on the target or the sight here, and kind of played with it to get to the match up. I'm not that concerned with that because, like I said, I'm going to be dispatching animals and traps with this, so that's not going to be something I'm too worried about as any sort of long range shooting or target shooting or anything like that. I'm just kind of doing this part for fun. But yeah, this is a cool little gun. I like it a lot. Yeah, I really don't have too much more to say about this thing, man. It's fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out and put that mag round back in, mag chamber. All right, so fire off 6 more of these 22 mag shots, see if I can get on target with it. Probably not going to shoot more than that because, like I said, these are a bit more expensive than the 22 LRs. Okay, see where we're at here. Safety off. As funny as that sounds on a revolver. Yeah, see, that one still went way high. What happens if I adjust this just a little bit? That didn't help. There we go. So it's funny, on that last one that I got to hit, I think that's it. Yeah, see where we're at here. Safety off. Something that sounds on a revolver. See, that one still went way high. Yeah, I think if I adjust it. There we go. So it's funny, on that last one that I got to hit. On that last one I got to hit, I lined up my sights, and I don't know if you can see, but you got a little bit of a groove cut in here. Obviously you got that, the sight on the end, but on that last one I lined it up at the very bottom of the big circular target, and it seemed to hit. I couldn't tell where it hit at it, like it didn't, you know, fling the thing around the metal, but yeah, I don't know what's up with that, but 22 LR seems to shoot great, which is fine because that's primarily what I'm going to be putting in this thing anyways. So, but yeah, cool. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would recommend the Heritage Rough Rider in 22. Like I said, the mag's shooting kind of weird for some reason, but LR seems to shoot perfectly fine. It's a fun little plinking gun, and again, for practical use too, for dispatching or whatever you might need it for. So highly recommend that, especially if you can get it on sale for 120 bucks. See you out in the woods.